Let us see some more features of Google Documents before going on to Google Forms. So if you see, Google Documents by default has various templates. It has predefined templates for resume creation, for letters, for project proposals, for brochures, and yes, we have for many more things. You can browse from the template gallery and use them for your work. Now let us see any useful add-on in Google Documents. I click on a blank template. Let us open a Google document first. So once a Google document gets opened, as usual, we go to add-ons and get the add-ons. So for this, I have pre-installed the add-on that is required for us now. We need to get the word cloud generator add-on. If you see here, you go to get add-ons and as usual install this particular add-on called as word cloud generator. Now word cloud generator, this particular add-on can be used like if we want to have any logos or any catchy images for when designing brochures for our programs, we can use this word cloud generator. And there are two versions of this. One is a classic and one is modern. We will see what is actually a word cloud generator and what it does. I'll take some random text. For example, I'll search about Google Docs. Let us take some content and place in our document. So only if the content is more based on that, the word cloud will take the important words and it will form a cloud which will be a catchy image for us. So let us take some content from Google. Right, I take this content and let me paste it in a document. Now I go to add-ons, I click on word cloud generator. Let us try the modern version. So the word cloud sidebar will open. Yes, we can see that the add-on has opened as a sidebar here. So once it opens, it automatically detects the text and we can see that a word cloud has appeared. So this can be used in any brochures, or if you want to have any attractive documents, we can use this word cloud. You can download the word cloud as an image and we can use it wherever we want. So this is how we use a word cloud add-on. And let me tell you how to share the Google document. So let me close this for now. I'll give this document a name as sample doc. Right? Now I click on share. Before sharing, the document is private only with me. For example, I want to share this with my official ID. I type the email ID chitra@savita.ac.in and I'm giving the editor access. So there are three options whether the person can only view or they can comment or they can edit the document. I'll allow the person to edit so that we can collaborate and work together. So I give the editing option. And these are the permissions where the editors can change permissions and share, which means if I share to one email ID, whether they can share the document to someone else or not. If you don't want them to share, you can disable this, else we can have this enabled and let me send. So this will be sent to the person whose mail ID is mentioned here and we can see that one person has been added. So this is how we share Google Documents with other people. Thank you.